This is after the hurricane. Our backyard of Hawaii. Day number 2. Everything is calm and back to normal. And there are people surfing and stuff out there. There's some boogie boarders, some fishermen coming in. Just a little panoramic view of that. Let's see what we got over here. Hot tub. Zoom back out. Is Tallulah up there? Tallulah! Say hi! Yay! Say aloha! You coming out? Very fun. Nice evening, huh?
What is this?
It looks like a football to play with. What was it? Bug on it?
Yeah.
That was kind of funny.
Yeah.
Are you having fun at your new house? Look at me. Say aloha.
Aloha.
Mahalo.
Mahalo.
Adios.
Adios.
Muchachos.
My chochos.
Nice job. Alright, let's see if I can zoom in out here. Get some surfers. This point out here is really good. It's been barreling today. It's starting to slow down a little bit, but way out there you can see some surfers. I just caught one. I can see it. Alright, there you go.